Hello everyone, welcome to part 169 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 8. So in this video, we are going to do two more security points, and one is prevent disabled deleted products attributes to order, and the another one is prevent disabled categories products to order. Okay, so in last video we have seen that we able to prevent disabled products and out of stock products to order. Okay, so in this video, like I have told you earlier as well, disabled and deleted products, so deleted attributes, sorry. So see here, like if the admin disabled the particular attribute, like this medium attribute that is added in the card, we have added in the last video these two products in the card, and the this product attribute has been disabled by the admin, like this. Admin makes it inactive, or admin deletes this attribute at all. So in both the cases, we must add one function that will check for this particular attribute status, as well as the attribute is there in attributes table or not. Okay, so two things we are going to check. So let's start. We are going to add one more function to check this one, and that we are going to make function like get attribute count. Okay, so one more function we are going to add here, public static function, and here we are going to name it like get attribute count. So we are going to send the product id as well as size, like we have done earlier as well, product id as well as the product size. So this one we will take it get attribute count. We are going to check in product attribute model, and in this model we are going to check for with the see, we are going to check for the count, so we are going to check with the product id as well as size, and we are going to check the status as well. So first product id, and then size. Size, we are going to take this size, and after that one more thing we are going to check. We are going to check the status, that status of the attribute is one or not. See, along with the status we are checking the product that attribute itself is there or not. Okay, so we are going to check for the count. Okay, so I'm going to first of all going to check for the count. Here we are going to debug that whether the correct count comes or not. So let's see now. I refresh, and okay, we will add a new one, no issue, and here is it negative. Okay, fine. First of all, I'm going to make it active. Both, all the three attributes I'm going to make active. Okay, so let's add products in cart. I'm going to add medium, one size, as well as red, one size. Okay, so now we have the products in cart, and now I am going to disable the attribute like inactive. I'm going to make the attribute inactive. Medium size attribute I'm going to make inactive, that the user added in the card. Okay, so next we are going to do next. So here I am debugging this one. So here you can see we have added die here, get attribute count, but it will not work because here we have not added the function, we have not called the function yet. So we want to call this function as well, so that we can able to check that the attribute has been disabled or not. Okay, so here we are going to write like prevent disable or deleted attributes to order, products attributes to order. So we are going to check the attributes here. I'm going to call that function. I'm going to check for the get attribute count. Attribute count must be 1. Okay, if it is 0, then we are going to redirect the user to the card page with the error message. Get attribute count. And we are going to pass the product ID as well as size like we have done earlier as well. So now we are going to check. Okay, so let's place the order for this. Here you can see the one is coming, so one means the product is enabled, so it may be checking the first one. So we can do one thing here, we can check for both. So we can remove yeah, we can remove one of the product, then we can debug. I will go here and back to card. Here I am going to remove this one. Okay, now we'll check with this one that what it will come for this particular attribute. Okay, place order, see 0 is coming for this one, so it is working fine. So now we can remove this one and we can return the count of the attribute. See, it will be 0 for both the cases. I will show you, like yeah, for delete as well it will be 0. If I delete, then the attribute will be gone. Okay, so see, attribute must be there, it will work for both disable as well as the delete. Okay, so we will carry on, return get attribute count. This one we are going to return. So in case if attribute is 0, like in the same way, then we are going to return the user with the error message. We are going to check this one. If it is 0, then we are going to send the error message to the user. So let's see, send, click on send, and see here blue casual t-shirt is not available, so please move from cart. Okay, we can try once again. See, product is not, product attribute is not there. So if you will try, you can see this message. Okay, so this one will work for both inactive as well as if the attribute is not there, if it is deleted by the client. Okay, or the admin, then also it is going to show you the same message. So it's your choice whether you want to give this message, or you want to delete the product itself from the card and give the another message. Okay, so now one more security point that we are going to do, and that is the prevent disable category products to order. So sometime what happens, this product lies, we are going to check its category. See this one, it lies in casual t-shirt category. Suppose the admin disable the casual t-shirt category. From here admin simply disable the category, and in that case this item must not get ordered. Order for this item must not get placed by the user. So we need to prevent this one. If the product category is disabled by the admin, then again we need to redirect back the user to the card page with the error message. Okay, so one more function we are going to make for this one in product model, and this is one last function we are going to make for the disabled category, to check for the disabled category. Okay, so we have the category ID as well. So for that we need to first check that what's coming. We have the category ID of the product, so we are going to check it like this and click on next, so that we will come to know that we are having the category ID. See, category ID as well, we are having the category ID, so we can make the function here. Okay, so let's make one new function here, public static function, sorry, we can use this one. So public static function, and function name is get category status, and here we are going to pass the category ID, and here we are going to check for the get category ID status like this category, and then select status, here ID, category ID first, then 12. Okay, then we are going to return this one, this category status. Okay, so see, whenever we will return this status, here we need to call this function. Okay, so here we will write prevent disabled categories products to order. Okay, so here we are going to fetch that category status from the product model. We will give that function, and we are going to pass that category ID this time. So category ID we have seen, it's in card, then product, then category ID. Okay, product, and then under product it is get category ID like this. Okay, so now we are going to call this function, and if $category status equal to 0, in case of 0 we are going to delete product from card. Okay, see, it's our choice that we want to delete. We are going to copy this one, same thing. Okay, here that if category status is 0, then we are going to show the same message we can show, or it's your choice that which message you want to show. Okay, so let's test now. So I'm going to refresh here. See, the category is disabled. See, category is disabled, so the error message must come. Okay, so still we need to uncomment that this one. So now try. See, the error message has come, blue casual t-shirt is not available, so please remove from card. Okay, so now I'm going to enable this category. Now we will try to place the order for this product. Now the order must get placed. Place order. See, we are going to check the other things as well. Okay, maybe its attributes or something is disabled that we are checking earlier. See, it's inactive. Okay, we are going to make it active as well. Okay, so now the order will get placed. Next, and COD. Now the order will be placed for this product. Okay, so I'm going to show you once again. Okay, so I'm going to show you once again, like if the user added the product in cart, small one, add to cart, user added the product. After that, the admin disabled that product category. This is the product category, the admin disabled it. Okay, and user tries to place this disabled category product. Okay, then error must come here in detail page. User must redirect to the detail page with the error message. No, see, still it is not working. We need to check once that why it is not working. We have already fetched the status of that. We are going to check where the issue is coming. See here, we are not sending the status back. That is the issue. See, status must come here. So sometimes we left with something like this, so status must go back like this. Now we are going to check once again, so it's important to test as well. So we are going to, otherwise we have left it. Okay, so we are going to enable now once again. See, I am going to add the casual t-shirt. Okay, medium size one, add to cart. So user disable this one from admin panel category. So now user is trying to place the order for this one, place order. See, now the error message is coming. Okay, so now I'm going to enable this one, this category that belongs to this product. Okay, so now a user will try to place the order. So now this time the order must get placed. So let's see, because the category is enabled now. Now you can see the order has been placed. Okay, so we able to do these all security points, 4 of these security points that you need to add in your e-commerce website to make it more secure. Okay, so you can try this one at your end, and if you will find any issue you can surely contact me, and if you want some other security point to add then you can also surely tell me. Okay, so we will continue with other points as well, so stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.